guys, it's Kiara Denise, and today's video is me showing you guys how I got this cut crease look. It's very neutral, a lot of browns. I do have a little bit of red in my crease, so a tiny pop of color. I am wearing the Dosso Beauty lashes today, and these are in the style Drama Queen, and they're so dramatic. Like you guys know, I don't usually wear lashes. I don't wear lashes a lot, so for me to have some like big dramatic lashes is kind of new, but they are so glamorous and they bring like everything in this eye look together. Like, I'm so digging it right now. But yeah, those are my lashes. I will include Dosso Beauty's information and Instagram down below, so you too can get you a pair of their 100% mink lashes. But yeah, definitely check them out. Their lashes are pretty dope and they're easy to take care of, so that's a plus. This look was definitely requested by one of my best friends. Her name is Ariel. She wanted to see me do a cut crease look, so this is a shout out to her. Hey girl, what's up, what's good, what it is. But yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Bye.
Change on the counter at the grocery store, the bags I would arrange. Now his face is looking kind of flustered. He didn't know that I was my own hustler. Baby, understand, I don't need a man. Fuck me or I'll fuck you worse than take off to Japan. He thought I couldn't cross the street without holding his hand. And that if his head is dirt, I'll hit his head without holding his hand. City with the top down, riding around your city like the cops now. Oh no, riding around your city with the top down, 'cause my passenger is pretty, we won't stop now.
I used to ride around the city with my top down. I was looking for the heart that I don't got now. Since she came to me and questioned, she said, hi, my name is Callie. She had California sunshine, but ain't come from Mato Valley. Should've known. Shorty had me fooled on the low. How could I know? She played it cool like a pro. Now I ride around the city and my passenger is empty. She don't call to say she love me. She just flex and start to tell me that
I'm riding around in my car's low. What you waiting for? I feel like I hit the lotto. What you waiting for? I'm riding around in my girl's eye. What you waiting for? We're riding around just to get by. What the fuck you waiting for? I'm riding around in my car's low. What you waiting for? I feel like I hit the lotto. What you waiting for? I'm riding around in my girl's eye. What you waiting for? We're riding around just to get by. What the fuck you waiting for? I'm riding around in my car's low. What you waiting for? I feel like I hit the lotto. What you waiting for? I'm riding around in my girl's eye. What you waiting for? We're riding around just to get by. What the fuck you waiting for? I'm riding around in my car's low.